Okay, we have breaking news coming in from the Supreme Court. There is a big promise by the centre that has been made in the Supreme Court, and this is during the hearing on stray dogs matter. Now, the centre has informed the top court that it is working towards eliminating rabies from dog bites by 2030. It is promising that it will be taking certain actions that will lead to complete elimination of rabies due to dog bites. Now, remember, the hearing was happening today and the order was also reserved in this matter by the court. But when centre was present in front of the court, it made this big claim, and it says that it has got an entire plan and it is working towards executing this plan along with the states to completely eliminate rabies from the country by 2030. Remember, court has been taking an extremely strict stance as far as dog bites have been concerned. Joining us right now is India Today legal editor Nalini Sharma. Nalini, do tell us, what is the claim made by the centre in terms of rabies and dog bites?
Well, Anjali, during the course of the hearing today, the Supreme Court heard various states about the steps that have been taken on their side to control this menace regarding stray dog bites across India. And in that process of those arguments, even the central government, through SG Archana Pathak Dave, had also made arguments where they had stated not only how they have provided fund allocations to the center, because at the end of the day, when it comes to the fight against rabies, health is something that is a state subject. So even though center has helped the states with funds allocation and helping them set up state action plans, but at the same time they've also created a national action plan which is in force to ensure that rabies, especially rabies that is caused due to dog bites, can be controlled. And the ASG has also told the Supreme Court bench headed by Justice Vikram Nath that under the national action plan they have decided to try and make India completely rabies free from stray dog bites by 2030. Now, as to whether or not that be achievable will depend not only on the center but also the state governments, because at the end of the day, this is something even the Supreme Court recognized today before reserving the order, is that everybody has to work in coordination with each other to tackle this problem, because the population of stray dogs is growing by almost 10 to 15% each year. And what we need to do is make it a negative population growth. So all the authorities on the national level, the state level and the local municipal level will have to work together to ensure that this is achieved. The order has been reserved. 1 week time has been given to all the states and all the relevant parties to file their written submissions, and possibly it's after that we can expect for the judgment from the Supreme Court to be out on this issue. As to what directions will be issued to the center in that judgment is something that we are waiting for. Anjali.
Right. Thank you, Nalini, for all those details.